All right, in this video, I am going to teach you how to view your progress in PowerSchool. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this web address, enter your login and password that your advisor teacher gave you. And so the first screen you come to when you do that, mine's already logged in, so it'll take me right there. I've saved my password. So when I get here, the first thing I see is grades and attendance, which is where I want to be anyways. And if you happen to be on a different screen at the moment, you're going to click grades and attendance. And this is where you're going to view all of your classes. And so here is the course, and your instructor is there. The room number, when you get back to campus, that's where you will meet. And then here is the block in which you meet. Where you're going to find more information about your classes is in this S1, which stands for semester one. If I look here, I can see that I'm getting a 76 in Miss Willie's math class. And then here, I can click this for more information. So let's actually go look at science first. Okay, so a bit about this. Due dates are going to be found on the left, and then categories are going to be different for each class. So for example, for science, you have two categories for 6th grade science, either formative or summative. Informative informs instruction and informs learning. So these are so that you know how you're doing towards meeting the standard. And you'll notice that they have this symbol here, and which means they're excluded from your final grade, and that's because this category of formative counts for 0% of the grade, and 100% of your grade is on summatives. So that means tests and projects and performance tasks. And so if we look here, we can see what the assignment title was, and this little symbol here, if I look down here, says it has a description, and I can see that I've got a personal comment from the teacher about my work on 2 of these assignments. I can see my overall grade. Here, I noticed that this green check mark means that it's collected. So the teacher just checked whether I had turned this in or not. It didn't get a score. And then if I'm turning in late work, I'm going to see that also under the flags here. Missing, you're going to get a chance to see that in math. Exempt from the grade is this symbol here. Absent and incomplete, and then excluded. So if I want to look at specific teacher comments, I look over here in this column, and I can see that I have comments because there's these little boxes here. So I'm going to click on that, and I can see that I'm approaching standard, and I need to use the website in the assignment description to practice identifying variables. Okay, well, I'm going to go to the assignment description. Okay, and again, it tells me the name of the assignment up top, and that it's formative. Here's a little bit about what we did in this assignment. So that way, if I'm like, I can't remember what this assignment was about. And then here, anytime something's blue in the assignment description, it means there's a link. So I can actually go here and practice the skill that I still need some practice in. And then if I go back, and then I get back, I think, to my original screen here. And now that I'm done with science, I'm going to go back to grades and attendance, or just click the back button. And now I'm going to go look at math. So math, I have an overall grade of 76. And I can see that the category, I can see assignment date, and the category for math are process or product. And process is 30% of the grade. And product, and process is like homework and checkups. And product is 70% of the grade. And that is tests, performance tasks. Basically, when you get a product grade, by that time, we think you should have met standard. Okay. Again, I can see that there's a assignment description for each of these, and I can see this flag. If I can't remember what it means, I just come down here to the legend, find it, and see it means it's missing. And I can come here and view assignment details. Actually, I'm going to go to one of the homeworks, because in here, I've got my specific comment about how I can improve, and then I can come in and find out more about the actual assignment. Click on the rubric if I want to look at that. And then just close out of the assignment window this way. So that's it really. If we were go back and summarize, each of your classes should be listed under courses. You can go here under S1 to get more details. Once you're in there, you can learn about more about your assignments by using the legend below, clicking on teacher comments to view. And that's it. Thanks for listening.